Hi, boys and girls. Today's letter of the day is the letter I. We can look at our letter I and see how many wood pieces. We start at the top. We see a big straight line, and then go back up to the top and make a little short line, and then another short little line. Start with our big line, straight line, when we're writing our letter I, and then we have a small or short line at the top, and then another one at the bottom. A couple weeks ago we talked about the letter T, which looks very similar to this. It had the straight line and then the short line here, but then you add another line at the bottom to make it uppercase I. So today we've got our I chart. Look at upper and lowercase I. Do they look similar? Maybe a little bit, but they also look different. So uppercase I, as you know, has a straight big line and then a short small line and then a short small line at the bottom. Lowercase is just a line and then a dot on top to finish it off. Upper and lowercase I. I says like in iguana. It also says its name like ice cream. So I is what's called a vowel. And as you get older, you'll learn more about vowels. But I'm just going to tell you that the letter I says like in iguana, and I, it says its name like in ice cream. Ice cream starts with the letter I. Let's read a little bit about our iguana here. This is Izzy. Izzy iguana's an incredible fellow. Most iguanas are green, but he's red, blue, and yellow. And here we can see that. We talk about how when we read, pictures can help us with that. So when we're reading our color words, if we don't remember, we can actually see the colors on the iguana. So let's read it again. Izzy iguana's an incredible fellow. Most iguanas are green, but he's red, blue, and yellow. So here we see the color words. Red, blue, and yellow. Great job. Let's practice our uppercase I. We start at the top. We always do. We just make a big line here. We go back up to the top. We cross, and then at the bottom we do the same. Remember to use your purple book. You can use paper. You can use anything you want at home. If you have a chalkboard, a dry erase board, big line down, cross, short line, little line, and then another one. We're talking about uppercase I right now. That's what we're practicing. We'll make a couple more. Straight line down, cross, cross at the bottom, big line, and then short lines. Uppercase I. Good job. Lowercase. Start at the top, short line, and then a dot to finish it. Pretty easy, huh? Just a straight line, dot, straight line, dot, straight line, and dot. Iguana. Spend some time with Mom and Dad. Look at the chart. There's all sorts of items that have the sound like iguana or its own name, I, like in ice or ice cream, my favorite. So spend some time with Mom and Dad trying to find items that have sound like iguana or I when it says its name like ice and ice cream. Great job.